You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. Yes, indeed. Many mispronounce it. This is famous for being the name of a famous South African-American actress, Charlize. It's pronounced Theron. Yes, I know. It looks like it could be pronounced Theron or Theron. No, Theron. Theron. There could be different pronunciations depending on the family, the origin. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Do you know any Theron? Well, any alternate pronunciation, let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.